We thought it was a good complementary system to the other products that we support. So we're an EOS partner in South Africa as well, and we believe that in order to grow the additive manufacturing industry, it's very important to have a finishing workflow. And in order to do that properly, you need to have an automated finishing workflow. And I think DyeMansion meets all of those requirements. In order to move into production with AM, it's very important to be able to give the customer an end-use product that is colored and professionally finished. And you can't do that without some sort of print-to-product workflow. And again, the DyeMansion workflow, PowerShot C, PowerShot S, DM60, ticks all of those boxes and does that job very well. In terms of being able to provide a complete solution for a customer that wants to go into AM production, it opens up all sorts of opportunities for the customer and therefore for us as a DyeMansion reseller or reseller partner. It's very important to be able to offer the entire production system. We started our discussions when DyeMansion was actually starting out, so we saw immediately there was potential there, and I think DyeMansion is a very dynamic and agile company, and they're great to work with. So it's been a very good journey so far, and we hope that it continues for a long time.